Wow, ang bango naman yan, sweetheart. Amoy palang ulam na.
Ano ka ba? Prito lang naman yan eh. Napakabulero mo talaga.
Hmm. What's with the serious face, son? Mukhang hindi ka ata excited.
Parang hindi ka naman na nasanay.
I just don't understand why you have to transfer to a new school kung maayos naman yung dati.
Dad, I want a new thrill.
Mana ka talaga sa tatay mo. Just enjoy the school year.
I hope so. Miss,
Yes,
alam mo yung building ng STEM 2?
yes, doon sa... Nakikita mo yung dulong building na yan. Hindi pa yan yun. Nakakawa ng STEM building sa likod yan, second floor.
Bakit mo sinabi yun? Nakakahiya.
What? As if naman makikita pa natin siya.
Makikita talaga natin yun, schoolmate natin.
Eh, dilayuan natin.
Sit down. I am Mark Justin Montesino. You can call me Sir MJ, and I am your advisor for the school year 2023 to 2024. Before we start, let's introduce ourselves first. You may begin at you, Miss.
Good day everyone, I'm Line Egos.
I like singing, dancing, and going out with my friends.
Okay, next.
Hi everyone, I'm
morning, sir.
Oh, good morning. Why are you late?
Hi. I got lost.
Please come in. Okay, let's continue to you, Miss.
I'm Krishna Lorraine O. Quezon. I'm 17 years old.
Good morning everyone, I'm Teresa Benamala, 18 years old.
Hello everyone, my name is Marcus Zipagan. Good morning, I'm Buds Vargas.
That's all.
I live in Vermont Royal.
And
Please teach me well.
that's it. What do you want me to teach you then?
Anything about your subject, sir?
Oh, really? I am your teacher in biology. What do you know about cell?
It's a basic unit life on Earth, sir.
Name a person who were part of discovery of cell.
Robert Hooke discovered and named the tiny pores as cell due to the advancement of microscope.
What do you think is the significance of Robert Hooke in discovery in cell?
It became a foundation of cell theory and its postulate.
Like?
All living things are made of cell.
Okay, very good. Sit down.
I actually don't know why I'm here. I was really planning to transfer to a different school. Why didn't you transfer? Hindi kasi kayo transfer eh.
Speaking of, nakita niyo ba kung paano magsagot yung transfer kanina? Gusto ko galing.
True, I was impressed that you knew all of that.
O bakit? Tinuro naman niya sa atin yung junior. Kaya,
Unlike you, hindi na namin maalala kasi... na ako! Uy, sorry!
Our lesson for today is, oh, what an impressive entrance.
Sorry, MJ.
And you? What is your excuse? Get in. Going back to our discussion, our today's lesson is about biological molecule. Biological molecule is a chemical compound found in a living organism. Can you give me one example of biological molecule, Raymond?
No idea, sir.
What? Nonsense. De Los Santos.
Carbohydrates, sir.
You are not sure?
Carbohydrates.
Juliana.
Proteins, lipids, and nucleic acid.
Very well said. Now, we were going to focus on one biomolecules, which is classification of carbohydrates. Okay, class, please prepare a 1/4 sheet of paper. We will having a quiz about the biological molecules. Number 8. Blank are chemically defined as polyhydroxyaldehydes or ketones.
Look, paper mo. Carbohydrates yan.
Number 9. What do you call the complex carbohydrates have 2 or more sugar molecules? Ted, what is the chemical formula of glucose?
What? Hindi ko na maintindihan.
Exchange paper with your seatmates. 1. Biological molecules. 9. Polysaccharides. 10. C6H12O6. Okay? Pakibalik sa mayari.
Saglit lang, ito naman, madaling-madali. O, 6 ka lang. 6? Never pa ako nagka-6. Kung edi ngayon meron ka na.
Movement 10. 1.
Sir, si Vance po, naka-10.
Siya lang? Good.
Okay, class. Today we'll be having a debate about who is the better leader. Is it men or women? Pretty exciting, right? Okay, now you may choose one representative for each for men and women.
Ma'am, si Vance na lang po, ma'am.
Okay, si Vance na daw sa male. How about girls? Sino ang representative niya sa female? Dami yan, Krishna. Representative namin. Again, you'll be debating about who is the better leader. Is it men or women? You go first, Mr. Vargas. Then we'll proceed to Ms. Quezon. Representatives, please stand up. Okay lang. Okay, so we have Mr. Vance Vargas for men representative and Ms. Krishna Quezon for women representative. Shall we start the debate?
Sa mga dahilan kung bakit kami mga lalaki, because unlike the girls, we tend to make things easier. Dahil ginagawa nila mga komplikado mga bagay-bagay.
I can seem to understand that you address as an effective leader because we are complicated. Pero nagiging komplikado lang naman kami dahil obligado pa namin na isipin pa kayo. Those mere household chores na kailangan pa namin kayong paglutuan, paglabhan, at isipin ko ano ang makabuti sa inyo. Because clearly, you cannot survive without us.
I clearly disagree because you are the only one who cannot survive without us. Bakit? Kasi kami lang naman ang decision sa mga bagay-bagay na hirap kayo mamili. At nagpapatunay lang ito na we are more than superior to you women when it comes to leading. Pero importante ba na pagtalunan pa natin ng mga bagay-bagay na ito? Where we know for a fact that one sex is not superior to other because men and women are corresponding. Di naman tayo dapat magtalo pa eh. Dahil kung tutusin, kailangan tayo magkaisa.
I do agree. Pero magiging nonsense ang debate na ito kung susundin kita, Mr. Vargas.
Ayaw mo talaga magpatalo, no?
Ayaw ko lang magpatalo sa'yo.
Girls, di ko in-expect na magpapakumbaba siya sa debate na yun.
Actually, ako rin.
Nakakairita, no?
No, ang cute kaya. Tapos na, okay? Let's just move on.
Anyway, absent pala si siya ngayon.
Ang alam ko, may sakit siya. Yeah, anyway, andun na si Mama.
Morning, class!
Good morning, Ma'am Ses!
Now you may sit down.
Yesterday was a spectacular sight to see, and I didn't expect that you have a deeper knowledge about those kind of topics. Anyways, congratulations to Vance and Krishna for doing great yesterday. Moving on to a new topic, I have prepared a task for you to do, and it will be a group task. Each of you must have a pair to do the task. Okay?
Tara, Mika, tayo na lang. Wala si Cha. Paano ako? Ma'am, pwede ba magsalo?
Absolutely not. Dahil ang task nyo is to assess yourself, but with a twist. I-share nyo sa partner nyo ang mga bagay na sa tingin nyong strengths at weaknesses nyo. Sino wala pang ka-pair dyan?
Krishna, kung kayo na lang kaya ni Vance mag-pair. Fine, I guess I have no choice.
Strength and weaknesses, huh? So, what is your strength and weaknesses?
I don't have any weaknesses. I only have strength.
If that's true, ano yung mga bagay na kinoconsider mo as strength? Well, me, I love drills, so I have no fears to try something new. Ikaw, ano ba inspiration mo? Bakit ganyan ka pa rin? Academic achiever na sobrang competitive. And I know naman na may pinanggagalingan yan.
It's none of your business. Stop bothering me. I hate you!
You two, why are you fighting? Kung hindi nyo kaya magawa ng hindi nag-aaway, huwag na lang kayong gumawa. 0 na kayo, ah!
Uy! Sino kayo hindi ba sa philosophy? Ano nangyari?
Ay nako, na natin pag-usapan. Nakakaiwan ka lang yung langit.
Ay, nakita ko galit na talaga. Bakit kasi hindi na lang kayo maging close?
And that's how digestive system works. Goodbye, class. See you tomorrow.
Uy, tara, may tayo. Nag-trade kasi ako sa talo na may extra fill.
Tara, deserve naman natin.
Nasaan pala si Mika? Alam ko may emergency sa bahay nila, so nauna na siya.
Ay, ganun. By the way, sasama ka ba, Krishna?
Ay, ano na kayo? May gagawin pa kasi ako eh.
Sige. Bye! Bye!
Vance. Sorry, hindi ko sinasadya na sigawan ka.
Okay lang. Kasalanan ko rin naman. Pinilit kita. Pero, ano bang maling nagawa ko sa'yo?
I really do feel very insecure when you are near me, Vance.
Ha? Bakit naman?
Gusto mo ba i-share ko sa'yo yung mga bagay na dapat shinare ko kahapon?
If you're comfortable enough, why not?
Noong bata pa lang ako, lagi sinasabi sa akin ni mama na
Krishna!
Ma,
Krishna!
ma,
Alam mo, ikaw talaga, hindi mo yan inintindi mga sinasabi ko sa'yo no? Alam mo ba yung kuya mo? Nung nag-aaral pa yan, laging honor student yan. Ni wala kang problema sa grade niyan eh. Tingnan mo ngayon, successful na engineer na. Eh ikaw, di nun mahirap yung kabinata.
simula nun, para di ma-disappoint si mama, lagi ko na sinisikap maging top 1.
I get it now. Pero alam naman siguro ng mama mo na ginagawa mo ang best mo. Bakit di mo sundin yung nialaman ng puso mo? Gawin yung mga bagay na gusto mong gawin. Alam ko rin matutuwa ang mama mo pag ginawa mo yung best mo sa mga bagay na yun.
Alam mo, tama ka.
Siyempre, ako na to eh.
Pero di pa rin ako papatalo sa'yo.
Hi.
Ngayon na kaya tayo bumili ng libro?
Hindi. Maglalaro muna ako.
What? Ano connect nun sa chemistry?
Wala. Gusto ko lang.
We are supposed to buy a book about that. Seriously, nagsasilang tayo ng oras kakaupo dito.
Eh di bumili ka na. How about, maglaro na lang muna tayo.
What? Ayoko nga. Hindi naman ako marunong.
Di ka ba marunong mag-enjoy? Tuturuan naman kita eh.
Eh, hindi naman ako magiging magaling agad dyan. Paano kita mabibigyan ng magandang laban?
Ang competitive mo pa rin talaga, no, kahit sa laro. Alam mo, kailangan mo mag-enjoy paminsan-minsan. Hindi puro akads.
Ang dami na sinasabi. Bakit nakakita ko?
Pansin kong palagi na kayo magkasama ni Vansa.
Oo nga, akala ko ba hate na hate mo siya?
I was wrong about him. He's a nice guy naman pala. Nicer than I thought.
Alam mo, halata ka. May feelings ka na kay Vance, no?
Oo nga, aminin.
Hoy, ang issue nyo. Umuwi na nga tayo. Hala, yung tumbler mo na iwan mo. Hala, oo nga. Babalikan ko lang sa room. Hintayin niya ako.
Sige.
Okay.
I think she nice naman talaga eh. Akala ko nga nung una, masungit talaga siya.
Shoot your shot, bro. Mali mo naman, di ba? Masyado kasing tawag pa eh.
Pero in fairness, bagay kayo ah.
Ano ba? Hindi ko nga kaya eh. Hindi ko nga kaya maging tapat sa sarili ko eh. Saan niya pa kaya?
Ang torpe mo kasi, pre.
Congrats! Ano, kumusta?
Okay lang. Ba't din ka magtanong?
Wala lang. Siyempre, first time tong encounter na to sa'yo. Sanay kang palagi. Alam mo na,
Rank 1.
Alam mo, tama ka. Kahit ako naninibago na okay lang sa akin. In fact, masaya ako sa results. Tsaka, deserve niya rin naman. Ang dami niyang natulong sa akin sa ACADS.
Ibang-iba ka sa Krishna na nakilala ko, but I like this version of you. Congratulations! Oh, si Vanso.
Sa akin nakatingin parang lumilipad.
Congrats. I know you also did well too. Kamusta ka?
To be honest, magaan-depress pa pakiramdam na wala ka na yung academic pressure.
Nalilito ang puso mo kung sana ba.
Sabi ko sa'yo, ayos lang may pagtayo ng sarili mo sa expectation ng iba. And just be yourself. Dahil ikaw na naman makakapagsabi na try your best.
Isipin na parang wala lang sa'kin ang lahat nating pinagsamahan. Isasayaw kita na para pang ito ng panghuli natin sinta. Huwag kang mag-alala, di kita hahayaang mag-isa. Sasamahan nga kita sa dulo ng ligaya. Di pa ba halata na iba ang ihip ng hangin dito? Kung pwede lang sabihin ng diretsahan ang aking gusto. At tekang bulag mo naman kung di pa rin nasisilayan. Nagbago na ang pagtingin. Huwag mo sanang isipin na parang wala lang sa'kin ang lahat nating pinagsamahan. Isasayaw kita na para bang ito ng panghuli natin sinta. Huwag kang mag-alala, di kita hahayaang mag-isa. Sasamahan